Hey guys, before this video begins, I'd just like to say that I'm starting a new series on my channel. It is called BSN SLO-MO videos. Da, 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 da. Yeah, so this is where I'll be doing slow-mo videos in everything. Not everything, but yeah. So the first video my cousin chose to do, and yeah, shout out to my cousin for filming and giving that idea to me. And also, I haven't been uploading for weeks now. It is because I am settling in India. I mean, not for long. It's just I have school holidays now. Yep, and I'll be coming back soon to Perth. But yeah, so this is one of the videos that I'm doing in the holidays. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Please get this video to 50 likes. It's my new target, 50 likes. All I want is 50 likes and then we'll be good. And yeah, please reach 200 subs. I'll be doing a special then. So yeah, see you then. Peace. Hey guys, today we're going to be doing the drop sound test. If you don't know what the drop sound test is, let me show you. So all you need to do is, you have to have a bed, obviously, and you need to have a heavy object. So I got here this paperweight. If you don't know what a paperweight is, let me show you. So paperweights are, basically they hold paper or thin objects still. So yeah, it's just stopping yourself from the wind. But anyway, we don't need this for now. Let's get on with this. Okay, countdown.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, time it out!
And that was the end of the drop test. If you like it, then like it. Bye. But then, a few hours later, something happened. Okay, that went pretty well than expected. So as you can see, the paperweight generated more sound on the bed. Yeah, you might not hear it much, but it did anyway. So, if you come around here. So we got 4 things that we're going to try out, and we're going to drop things onto the bed and the table. We're going to see, we're going to see which of the table or the bed will generate the more sound, if you get what I'm saying. Okay, so we got 4 objects. So we got a minion pencil case. Yep. Batman Superman logo, hashtag. We got a princess pencil case. I don't know what that was for anyway, but yeah. We got a Thor hammer, Marvel, as you can see, big fan of Marvel. And we got a notebook. It's pretty blank, but yeah, that'll do. And we also got a bottle piggy bank. A bottle piggy bank. Yeah, so we'll be trying out 5 things and we'll just see what happens. Okay, so first one, it is the minion pencil case. Okay, never mind. Okay, so we're gonna do the table first. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so we tried the bed now, so we're gonna try the table. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Sorry about the knock on the door. Never mind. So as you can see, the minion case generated more sound than the bed did. Okay, so we're going to try the next one, which is the princess pencil case. I hate princesses anyway. Okay, so onto the drop test on the bed. So, okay, 3, 2, 1.
Shattered.
Okay, so what happened was the crayon spilt off the thing, but never mind. It might generate more sound, but you know, things might happen. Okay, so onto the table. Okay, so I'm scared about this. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Safe and sound.
It's only the sharpener that was open. So onto the third thing, which is the Thor hammer. Okay, so yeah, we'll be doing the drop test. I think this is the easiest thing you might have ever dropped, but let's see. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so yeah, it might be the easiest thing we dropped ever. So we're gonna move on to the table. It might generate more sound, but let's see. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Flew away.
Okay, so it generated more sound on the table than on the bed. Okay, so for the fourth thing we're gonna try, it is the notebook. It is completely blank, as you can see, but never mind, we're not gonna worry about that. Okay, let's get on with the bed. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so that was the bed drop. Now we go on to the table drop. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that might have been the loudest we've ever heard. Or might not have been. So we are going to move on to the last thing, which I think might be dangerous on the table. But we are doing a piggy bank. A wine bottle piggy bank. I'm not sure if you said this, but yeah. Okay. Oh. Okay, yeah. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it was the loudest on the bed. But we're gonna see if it's the loudest on the table. Because I am so scared about this. Actually, really scared. Oh, I'm not sure if I'm able to do this. Okay, I'm just gonna throw it slightly. Okay. Oh no.
Scared Ollie. Hashtag.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'll try again. Do you think I should do it? Okay, so I realize this is going to be dangerous, so what I'm going to do is drop it slightly, and you might not know, even the slightest drop might make a very large noise. Very big noise. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we got kicked out for no reason, but never mind. So what have we learned today, guys? Never drop things on a table because it might break or it might generate more sound, and you don't want that. What you want to do is drop it on a bed.
On a soft place.
Yeah, on a soft place, so it won't break and it won't generate as much sound. So yeah, this proves that tables generate much more sound than beds. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you to my cousin for filming for me. And yeah, I shall see you next time. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love